Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. My name is Lorenda and I am so glad that you're here. So if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So today's video is a very easy video, but it's a little helpful hint if you don't know. So I was making these cute water bottles for Disney, and these are so cute. Now these particular water bottles came from the Dollar Tree. They are PBA free, and I really like them. I like the shape. I like how they're one size. I like the size of them. They have a really good mouthpiece there, and this snaps in place super well. And then also I like that when you put something on them, like you can like see through the other side. These are just honestly really, really cute bottles. And the nice thing with these, you know, they're $1.25. Easy to personalize, and then if you lose them, you don't feel horrible about it, you know, right? So the video that we're doing today, I was going to be, you know, doing 2 different colors of vinyl and then lining it up on each other. So, you know, I like to use the wax paper method when I line up vinyl, no matter how many layers I have, and it works super well. So I just thought that I would show you really, really quickly how I did these and using that, and you know, it might be helpful for you. And then I also wanted to show you these new water bottles from the Dollar Tree because the shape and size is really nice, and these are great for personalizing. So you can just use your Cricut, Silhouette, whatever it is that you use, personalize these so easily. And then the other thing, I just want to thank you guys so much for 15,000 subscribers. Like, I can't even believe it. I feel so honored, and I am so grateful, and I feel so blessed. So I wanted to do a giveaway. And you know, I've always done like tumblers, and I thought, you know, I've been doing so much like keychains and badge reels and stuff like that lately. I thought that I would do like a badge reel giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is put together like a set of just a bunch of different things that you can use to make some badge reels. So I thought that that would be fun. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, then starting with this video, you are going to just make sure that you have subscribed, and then leave a comment in the video letting me know that you'd like to be in the giveaway. So then I will stop putting people in on Sunday, and then I will probably Sunday by noon Eastern Standard Time, and then Sunday evening I will draw the winner, and I will announce it next Monday, so 1 week from today. All right, so if you would like to be entered into that giveaway, then just, you know, do those things. And if you would like to see putting these together, stay tuned and we will make them. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you again for stopping in. Thank you again for 15,000 subscribers. I am so grateful, and I am so appreciative of every single one of you guys. Bye, friends. We are going to do some water bottles today using our Cricut and Dollar Tree water bottles. So if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So these water bottles, they're PBA free, which makes me extremely happy. And these are really nice water bottles from the Dollar Tree. So I am just going to take off the stickers from them. And then I am going to clean them with denatured alcohol. But these are nice. They have a good top. So this is going to be an inexpensive way to make a good water bottle. A new project. So I'm going to go to text and pick the font that I want. So I ungrouped everything and then I grouped each line back together. And I'm going to do edit and I'm going to align and I'm going to align center. All right, so now I'm going to go to actions and I'm just going to duplicate it. And I'm going to go to edit and my height is 3.08. On this one, I'm going to make my height 3.04. Now I'm gonna actually change it to 3.02. Make sure I could still go over it pretty good because I just want a little bit of an outline. All right, perfect. All right, so I'm gonna make that one white. And then I'm gonna make that one purple. Okay. All right, so I duplicated it because I'm gonna make two. Now I'm just gonna go to make it. And first it wants me to do my white. So I'm just gonna put my white down on the mat. We take our mat off our paper. And by the way, I just used my measuring tape to measure like how big I wanted my decals to be. And that is all completely personal, you know, depending on the vibe you're looking for. And we'll weed this one together. I'm just gonna, and these are pretty chunky letters, so it's quite easy to weed. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this one and cut this one. Ooh, close, I almost got my arm. All right. All right, so what I'm gonna do is get a piece of wax paper and let's go to my folded piece and I'm gonna start here. And this is going to give me the opportunity to line up my pieces. So I want just a little bit of an offset. And now you see I can look through. You can see I can look through my wax paper and I can see where it's at. So now I can just pull my wax paper. All right, so there's that one. Now I'll do the other one. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with this. And again, I'm just going to go about halfway up my first word. And then again, this is going to allow me to put it on and see how I feel about it. Okay, good with that. So now I'll just take that off. All right, I don't know where my fancy little cup holder is, so I'm just going to use a shirt. All right, so I've cleaned this with denatured alcohol. So now I'm just going to see where I want it. So now, mind you, it was a much nicer tumbler, but I saw this at Disney for $44. And I was like, oh, I'll just make one. There we go. Best day ever. Now, of course, you can measure and make sure everything's perfect. And, you know, I'm an eyeballer, so you do you. If you're an eyeballer, like me, perfect. If you like to measure and make sure everything's like perfect, aligned and centered and whatever, that's awesome too. And here are my cups. And they turned out super cute. It's hard because them being clear, like you see everything through them, so it's a lot harder to see. Oh, my finger's in the way too. The color. But yeah, they turned out absolutely adorable. And as you can see, it is super easy to just use wax paper and line up anything that you want to layer. And these Dollar Tree little tumblers are so cute. Those turned out adorable. Listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.